Hello everyone. First you just have to take some of the colorful sheet of the paper and you just have to fold it. Then you just have to insert these beautiful stamens at the center. You can roll them with the help of the green tape over the stalk area. These will look natural flowers. Let's move further and try to make another level of the flower. For this one again we are making use of this colorful sheet of the paper and we are folding it according to the shape as shown here with the help of the scissors. You just have to cut it down at the center. We are going to wire place so that it will represent the stalk. After that you just have to cover it with the stamens as a parrot here. These beautiful flowers are ready and you can try to make with different colors. We have used the pink one here but you can make use of the different colors. The choice is all yours. Let's now move towards our another activity. Here we are again going to show you how we can make these pink roses. You just have to take some of the sheet of the paper and you just have to fold it as shown here so that a curvy area is prepared. At the center you just have to place these wire holdings that will hold this flower together and you can use this paper tape that's green in color to decorate the stalk. Let's try to make these beautiful flowers. For this one again we are taking here colorful sheet of the paper and we are trimming it down with the help of the scissors and we are rolling it over the stalk one after the another with the help of the glue stick. These will represent some of the stalks. Now stamen area. Now let's make the petal area. You can see how we are doing this one. If we talk about the difficulty level, then this type of the activity is little bit difficult and it's best suitable for the kids of the larger age group. So actually higher age group. This is so cute. Let's move towards our another activity. We are going to show you how we can make these beautiful flowers. For this one again we are making use of the colorful sheets of the paper and we are folding them with the help of the hand. With the help of the scissors we are making some of the tassel areas. Be careful while you are making use of the scissors. After that we are rolling it over this wire one after the another. Center area will represent the stamen portion and the blue one will represent the petals. Let's move further with this type of the activity. Here we are going to show you how we can make this beautiful hibiscus flower. We are taking this colorful sheet of the paper, we are rolling it and making the creases over it, and after that we are placing a wire at the center area to decorate it more. Now you just have to trim some of the tassels and one after the another you just have to roll it and the stamens are also sprinkled over it, and now you just have to fix the petals properly and the stalk area is also made. Let's move further and try to make these purple flowers. First trim the flower as shown here from the upper edge and after that you just have to fold it in your fingers. Now take the another stripe of the paper and trace down some of the stamens and with the help of the thread fix them properly, and you can just take the wire and you just decorate it with this green color tape. It will look so good and so nice. These flowers will look very natural. You can definitely give them a try and place them in the beautiful flower vase. This looks so good and so beautiful. Let's move further towards another activity. Take some of the mask and trim them down as shown here. You can place some of the water over the tray and you can place all these in that. After that at the center area you just have to pull it with the help of the wire that are used for the stalk. One after the another you just have to fix them together. These flowers are so cute and easy. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.